What is Pauly C up to today? Let's drop in and spy on him. You can see I got my beautiful wife helping me out today. This is my 11 a.m. job, so I thought I'd post it up. We are doing this cotton blend sectional. I've already done a couple pieces there behind you. You can see I've got my bucket. It's got water in it. I got my zinger and polar pads, 8-inch, for the Harbor Freight polisher. I've got a wool mitt, a couple wool mitts, synthetic wool, to apply the foam cleaner. And you can see we're getting ready. I've already done this middle one, part of it. I still got to do all this. These two dining room chairs, they are 100% polyester, so that'll be easy. The cotton blend is what you got to be careful of. And again, I got my table set up, my little workstation. It's a little collapsible fold-up table from Walmart for under 40 bucks. Legs adjust in height. And as you can see, there's a lot of cushions. It's kind of an overcast day. Here's Lisa applying the cleaner. Just an even coat all the way across, and then with a somewhat damp 8-inch polar pad, we'll extract all the soil gently but effectively. And the polar pads and the zinger pads are all available through Encapstore.com. Check it out. There's always a link in the description. There's the polar pad. And I'll show you. I use the first setting, which is 1,000 RPM. Then I bump it up to 1,500 RPMs when I'm doing the big open areas. This draws out more soil, does a better job scrubbing. So there you go. In case you didn't hear me, I said I usually do 1,000 RPMs, which is the first setting, along the sides and the creases. In the larger areas, I'll go 1,500 RPMs. That extracts more soil. And there you go. Everything is stacked, ready to dry. Should take probably about an hour to dry. I do have a air mover with me. I'm not going to be needing that today, though. I did feature an air mover that was available at Costco in a community post earlier today. I had to stop by and pick up some supplies or some contact lenses there at the Costco, and I saw those on sale for $59. I thought, man, those are great for upholstery, wood floors, tile, if you need to dry anything. Just excellent. So this is the dining room chairs all put back into place. Like I said, they were 100% polyester. They cleaned up. They started to look perfectly clean even just after applying the foam cleaner with the mitt. And I still use the polisher on them. On these, kind of gentle about just the first 1,000 RPMs so that we don't pull fibers apart or anything. There's the second one. And that's going to be it for today's video. Hope this helps somebody who's thinking about doing VLM, very low moisture upholstery cleaning. Very simple process, very simple tools, very, very outstanding results, and of course, very lucrative. You can make a living just cleaning upholstery. Customers love it when you get a perfect outcome and it comes completely clean. They're happy and it's dry within an hour. With this, probably dry within, I would say, about 30 to 40 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Always like to see comments, and I'll see you in my next episode.